Hello and welcome back. Today I'm actually going to be doing a product review with you. So Dan from Doncaster Cables has very kindly been in touch and he's sent me an EV Ultra stripping tool. Now I've not used one of these tools before. I've always used a Stanley knife and I've had my accidents in the past, so I'm keen to give this a go. Now like I said, I've never used this tool, so we're going to unbox it together, we're going to give it a go together, and it's going to be a completely unbiased review on whether this is any good or not. Here I have my offcut of EVUltracable that I'm going to be using, and here is the EVUltra stripping tool. So I've had a quick look at these instructions and it's just a picture based one. What I'll do is I will actually take a photo of this and I'll just leave it there for a little while so you can see. And what it says is at the bottom there's a gauge there for the blade. Just need to lift this part here, put the cable in, spin it round a couple of times and then pull away on the cable apparently, so I'll give it a go. Okay, so here we have the EV Ultra stripping tool. We have the adjustment there at the bottom and we have this which obviously clamps down on the cable, and that is surprisingly strong, so that's good. Hopefully that will last a long time. And then just inside there is the blade, and what I'm going to do is just adjust that blade to the depth of this insulation so I don't damage the inner cores. So if I just take a quick look, I might just make that a little bit less, and if you can see that, that should hopefully be about right. Right, so the instructions say just to place this over the top of the EVUltracable like that, spin it around 2 or 3 times and then pull away. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, pull away, it hasn't quite done the end, so I don't think my blade is deep enough, so we're going to give it another go. So I'm going to adjust this. This is to be expected, to be honest. You know, it's using tools the first time, you need to get these things right, get them set up. So here we go, attempt number 2. 1, 2, 3. Pull it away. Oh, there we go. Look at that. That's brilliant. So the next thing I'm going to do now is strip the inner sheath, and I'm not going to adjust this blade, I don't think, because I want to see if the depth is relative and if it's just ready to go. So I'll put it back on there. I'm going to spin it 2, 3, and I'm going to pull away. I'm going to take a look. Look at that. I'll tell you what, when I'm doing this with a knife as well, I always damage this inner plastic, and I haven't here. It's all intact, that's brilliant. Very happy with that. And there's a close-up for you, just so you can see how nicely that stripped that away. I'm very impressed. So this is the EVUltracable that Doncaster Cables have designed specially for the installation of electric vehicle charging points. The EVUltracable is available as a 3 or a 5 core, which makes it suitable for single phase and 3-phase EV charging installations. Now, Doncaster Cable produce and manufacture a wide range of different sorts of cables, but they also produce the EVUltra Power and Data Combined cable and the Powerwall Connect cable. Now, this is also used in EV installs in other applications. To find out more about these different sorts of cables, I'll leave a link to their website below. Now, I would always recommend that you wear gloves when you're carrying out any sort of works with any sharp tools. I haven't today on purpose because I wanted to see how safe this tool was to use, and it's been designed and manufactured in such a way that it's going to be very, very difficult to hurt yourself with it. Now, I haven't been paid or sponsored in any way to make this video, but Dan very kindly has given me this tool for free, so I'll be honest with you about that. So thank you, Dan, and thank you, Doncaster Cables. Thanks for watching again. Please hit that thumbs up button, like and subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well, and I've got some really interesting EV install videos coming up, so keep an eye out for those.